Let's talk about Weck Airtight Clip Close Sealed 290 ml jar with lid 80 mm, pack of 6, glass, transparent. Vase with a lid and rubber seal clips. Top rack dishwasher safe. Vacuum effect. Good jars add a useful size and look good on table. I use mine for overnight oats in the fridge and for smaller quantities of chutney and jelly. Sad that one of the glass lids was broken on delivery. Nice glass jars with all the things that you need to preserve or cook your dishes. I bought these jars to experiment the cooking in the jar technique using the microwave. The jars works great. Ideal size to use for homemade jams and chutneys.